Back that thing up.
Back it up.
You practice on your high heel walking.
Right. Did he get you okay?
Oh, he's already got a pair.
I do. That plus the robot walk, I'm going to be kind of doing this, so that might actually help balance a little. Just keep my knees bent.
Well, your knees should be theoretically next to the toes of it.
This was easier the first time we did this. I don't know why it's harder now.
Just you, man.
Did something loosen up?
That or you didn't put the bungees down far enough.
I put them on the same spot. One down from the bolt.
Maybe they're worn out.
Oh, God. Yeah, no, it's definitely harder than last time.
I think it's just you.
You're also kind of walking a pigeon toe.
Pigeon toe?
Yeah.
What's that?
Tilt it in. You got this.
You kind of feel like close go. Alright, so how tall am I compared to you, Adam? Stand up real fast. You're like
7 foot.
Taller than